Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, today let us study about in your 7th standard, chapter number 5, lines and angles. Dear students, you learned about in your previous class the basic geometrical idea. In the geometrical idea, the lines, the points, things, angles are here. And also, you know about who was the father of geometry? The father of geometry, the Euclid was the father of geometry. Euclid was the father of geometry. Euclid was study about all things in the geometry. The study about only points, angles, the plane figures, and also angles. So many things you learn about all concept in your geometry. He is called that is only Euclidean geometry. The father of geometry was Euclid. That is called Euclidean geometry. Therefore, in your fifth standard, only lines and angles are here. Lines and angles, that is you can learn about in the lines. Lines are what? In the lines, so many types are here. The lines mean therefore, line segment is the line segment. The next one is what? Straight line is the otherwise line only. Straight line, otherwise line only directly. Next, rays are here. Rays. And also next one is what? Curve line also. Curve lines are here. What is the statement of or a definition of line segment? And also point. You know about point? Before studying the line, point. This is geometrical figure. This is a point. This is point. The definition of point is what? And also Euclid says the point is a zero dimensional figure because zero dimension means the point have no length, no breadth, no height. That is only place in the blackboard. That is only place is the, but not height, but not length, breadth. Therefore, that is point. And this one is geometrical figure. The next one is what? Line segment is one. Line segment is a line. It's have two end points. It's have two end points. Therefore, AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. AB is a line segment. Therefore, line segment definition once again. Line segment is a line. It's have two end points. A and B are two end points. This line is ending only in A and B. This line segment is denoted in this line. AB divides this line. This is line segment. And also next one is straight line. Straight line or otherwise line. Straight line is what? A straight line is no endless points. Otherwise, the straight line is direction opposite direction. Straight line is traveling in opposite direction. Straight line is traveling in opposite direction and also no end point. No end point is that. No end point. Opposite direction and also no end point. This symbol is no end. This symbol is arrow mark is no end. Therefore, no endless is there. No end points are here. That is straight line. Therefore, this straight line also denoted by this like is that AB is a straight line. This like is that. This like arrow mark. Arrow mark means that is endless. But only dot point is a end point. And the rays are only one end point. Only one end point. Only one direction. One side direction is called that is ray. For example, your sunrise, your torch light, these all are rays are here. Only one direction is there. That is ray. Only one point is end, one point is not end. Therefore, AB. Therefore, once again, ray. Definition of ray is line may have only one end point. Is called that is ray. Line have only one end point. Is called that is ray. This ray is denoted by this like is that. Ray is also denoted by this line. Only one side arrow mark. That is ray. And also curve line. You can take any one curve. That is only length is there. Only length. The line have only suitable length. No particular direction is called. That is curve line. The curve line is what? The curve line have length. The no particular direction. That is called only curve lines. Got it? These all are lines. In the lines, next you can study about the angles. angles. You know about angles, for example, and also definition of angles. Angle is made up of this line. Made up of this line is therefore angle. The definition of angle is formed with the initial point and two rays is called, that is angle. Once again, angle is formed with common initial point and two rays in between the area is called, that is angle. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋನ ಅಂತ. ಕೋನ ಎಂದರೆ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಕೋನ ಎಂದರೆ ಎರಡು ರೇಖೆಗಳು ಎರಡು ಕಿರಣಗಳು ಒಂದೇ ಬಿಂದುವಿನಿಂದ ಉಂಟಾದ ಎರಡು ಕಿರಣಗಳ ನಡುವಿನ ಪರಿಮಾಣವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೋನ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಒಂದೇ ಬಿಂದುವಿನಿಂದ ಉಂಟಾದ ಎರಡು ಕಿರಣಗಳ ನಡುವಿನ ಪರಿಮಾಣವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೋನ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಕೋನ. In your English, angle is formed with a common initial point in two rays, the in between two rays, that is angle. ಇದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಂಗ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಾಂಗ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಕೋನ ಎಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ, ಕಿರಣದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕಿರಣ, ಬಿಂದುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನನ, ಆ ಬಿಂದುವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಂಟಾದ ಪರಿಮಾಣವೇ ಕೋನ. ಕೋನ ಈ ತರ ನಾವು ಸಾಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay, that is angle. In the angles, the so many types of angles are here. Angles, the so many types of angles are. Only basic types of angles. First one angle is what? Acute angle. Second one, obtuse angle. Next one, a right angle. Next, fourth one, straight angle. What about next, fifth one? Reflect angle. The next one is what? Sixth one, complete angle. These are all angles. Okay, one by one, the definition of angles. First one is acute angle. What is the meaning of acute angle? You know what protractor? This is your protractor is that protractor is 180 degree that is 180 degree, and also double protractor, that is 360 is the double protractor. Therefore, acute angle is this, like is that in the 90 degree. Got it? Okay, acute angles. Only a angle is less than 90 degree, more than 0 degree. Angle is less than 90 degree and more than 0 degree. More than 0 degree is called, that is acute angle. Diagram is this, like the only diagram. This like diagrams are A, B, C. This angle is only ABC, acute angle. Next, obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is less than 180 degree and more than 90 degree. More than 90 degree is called. That is obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, this like is the diagrams. This like diagrams. A, B, C. This like obtuse angles are here. Next one is what? Right angle. Right angle is exactly 90 degrees is called. 90 degree is called, that is angle. This like the diagram is there. Perpendicular line. Perpendicular A, B, C. This is 90 degrees there. Right angle. Next, straight angle. Straight angle is in the straight line direction. Straight line. That is straight angle. Therefore, angle is exactly 180 degree is equal to exactly 180 degree. This is like straight line direction. Therefore, A, B, C. This is like 180 degrees there. That is straight angle. What about next? Reflect angle. Reflect angle is what? Reflect angle is, therefore, reflect means this like that. Angle angle less than 360 degree and more than 180 degrees called, that is reflect angle. Less than 360 degree, more than 180 degree. This like that. Therefore, this line reflect A, B, C. This line. This is reflect angle. What about last one? Complete angle. Complete angle is angle is exactly 360 degree. That is circle. 360 degree. That is complete angle. Therefore, this like that. A. This also B. This like one rotation. Complete one rotation is called. That is 360 degrees. Got it? This like of all types of basic angles are only basic angles, basic lines and angles, and also in the angles again some angles are here. The next in the angles, first one is complementary angles and supplementary angles. Next one is what? Supplementary angle. Okay, these all are basic types of angles. The next part is complementary angles and supplementary angles. What are the complementary angles? What are the supplementary angles? Check once again. Therefore, okay, so here solution. Some examples are complementary angle. First of all, study about only complementary angle meaning. The meaning of complementary angle. Complementary angle is sum of two angles is equal to equal to 90 degrees called. 90 degrees called, that is complementary angle. In supplementary, sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees is called supplementary angles. Got it? The sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree, that is supplementary. Sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, that is supplementary angles are here. Therefore, some examples are, first one, this angle is what? 45 degree, and this angle is what? 45 degree. These two are complementary angles. 45 plus 45 is 90 is there. Therefore, complementary angles. Example number 2, one angle is 20 is there, and the angle is what? 70 is there. The sum of two angles is equal to 90 is there. Therefore, these two angles are also complementary angles. Next, example 3. Therefore, first angle is what? 25 degree. Next one angle is what? 65 is there. Again, these two angles is complementary angles. But otherwise, example number 4. One angle is 30 degree. One angle is 70 degrees there. But these two angles are not a complementary angle. These two are not a complementary angle because 30 plus 70 is 100 is there. 100 is not 90. Therefore, these two are not a complementary angle. The complementary angles means only sum of two angles equal to exactly 90 degrees. That is complementary angles. Got it? These two are not. Next one is what? Inverse supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means the sum of two angles is equal to exactly 180 degree. Therefore, example number 1, one angle is 120, but another angle is what? 60 degrees. These two are supplementary angles? Yes, because 120 plus 60 is again 180 degrees. Therefore, these two are supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Example 2. Check once again. Therefore, 90 degree and 90 degree. These two are also supplementary angles. Sum of two angles to 180 degree. supplementary angles are here. Again, example number 3. Therefore, what is 50? Only 30. These two are also supplementary angles because sum of two angles equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, these two angles are 180 degree supplementary angles. Next, example number 4. 120 degree and also 90 degrees. These two are supplementary angles? No, because one is 120, one is 90 degree. These two sum is more than 180 degrees. Therefore, these two are not a supplementary angles. Got it? And also you learn about this like also same as it is. 90 degree supplementary angle is 90. 100 supplementary angle is 80. 110 supplementary angle is 70. Supplementary angle of 30 is equal to 150. And also 10 degree supplementary angle is what? 170. This like also here supplementary angles. In this and also therefore study about 50 degree complementary angle is only 40. 60 degree complementary angle is what? 30. 10 degree complementary angle is only 80. This like number also here. Okay. These all are complementary angles and supplementary angles. The next one is what? Next, adjacent angles are here. What are the adjacent angles? Next one is adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are angles formed with the common initial point, common side, and two other points are not common. Therefore, this like us here. Adjacent angles. Adjacent angles are called adjacent. Angles are one common point, one common side, and other two sides are opposite side of the opposite sides of a common side. Common side is called adjacent sides. Adjacent angles. Once again listen here. Adjacent angles means adjacent angles are one common point, one common side. The other two sides are opposite side of the common side. Is called that is adjacent angles. For example, diagram this like is the these two are adjacent angles. Angle 1, angle 2 are adjacent angles. Adjacent angle is like is the A, B, C, D. Angle 1, angle 2 are adjacent angles. Therefore, these two angles are common point is D is the common side is BD is the common point, common side, opposite sides. Remaining other two sides are opposite sides of the common point is that is adjacent sides. Adjacent angles are here. Therefore, these two are adjacent angles. Next, you study about in the adjacent angles in your complementary angles and supplementary angles. Next one is what? Therefore, adjacent angles in complementary and supplementary. Angles. Therefore, study about this one. Therefore, 90 degree, one angle is 30, one angle is 60. These two are adjacent as well as complementary angles. Next one. One angle is 20, One angle is 70. These two are complementary angle as well as adjacent angles. Next one also here. Therefore, 10 degree and 80 degree. These two are also complementary angle as well as adjacent angles. In your supplementary angle also no problem. Therefore, this is 40 degree. This is 140 degree. These two are also supplementary angle as well as adjacent angles. Next one also here. Therefore, 30 degree, 150 degree. These two are also adjacent angles as well as supplementary angles are also. This like adjacent angles are here. The next concept in your chapter, linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles are here. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles are very easy, and also these two are related to the supplementary angles. Linear pair of angles. Linear pair of angles also same as it is in the supplementary angles. Therefore, consider these two linear pair. The linear pair means the definition of linear pair of angles. The sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree is called linear pair. Again, therefore, the straight line is the intersection. You can consider anyone. Therefore, this is 30 degree. This is 150. These two are linear pair of angles. Linear pair means in the linear 180 degrees. The sum of two angles is 180. These two are linear pair. Or otherwise, this like is the. Therefore, this is straight line. This is 90 degrees. The 90 degree plus 90 degree, that is 180 degrees. These two are linear pair of angles. The linear pair means the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree. Is called, that is linear pair of angles. Next one is, last one is vertically opposite angles. What are the vertically opposite angles? In your real world examples, two roads are intersecting this line. These two are intersecting. Opposite angles. One angle, two angle. 1 and 2 are equal. And so these two are also equal. 3 and 4. Vertically opposite angles are. This condition is vertically opposite angles are equal. Equal is these two are equal angles. These two are equal. Therefore, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4 is the given figure. Vertically opposite angles. When the two rays are meet at the point, or otherwise when two rays are intersecting at the point, arrays are having so many angles, only opposite angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles. This is the concept. These two are opposite angles are equal. These two are equal. 123 degree, 120 degree. This is 60 degree, this 60 degree. Same as it is. The sum of all angles is equal to 360 degree. Sum of 4 angles is equal to 360 degree. But opposite angles are equal. These are all vertically opposite angles. Got it? You learn about both concepts in your homework. I shall continue on next class. Your next concept is what? That is only some transversal lines are here. No problem. I shall continue next class. You learn about both concepts in your basic geometric idea. Angles, complementary angles, supplementary angles, and also linear pair. Opposite angles are here. Practice more example in homework. I shall continue next class.